Imagine you walk into a gigantic hotel with 1,000,000 rooms, and the moment you step inside, a friendly clerk hands you a room number, a key, and a little map, all in 1 second. Your phone does this exact trick every time it joins a new Wi-Fi. But who is the invisible clerk doing all that work behind the scenes? Right after that logo, let us meet the room number. On a network, every device needs its own address, called an IP address, a string of numbers like a house number on a busy street. Mail, videos, and messages all use this address to find you. Without one, the internet has no idea where to send anything. So every device needs an address, but imagine handing them out by hand. A person would type a unique number into every phone, laptop, and printer, one at a time. In a school with thousands of devices, they would make mistakes, hand out duplicates, and never finish. There has to be a smarter way. That smarter way is DHCP, the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Think of it as the hotel front desk for your network. Instead of a tired human, a tireless server keeps a big drawer of unused addresses and hands one to every device the instant it arrives. Fast, tidy, and no duplicates ever. So how does the desk decide who gets which address? It uses a 4-step chat nicknamed DORA. The device and the server swap 4 short messages in under a second: discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. Let us walk through them one at a time, like a tiny back-and-forth conversation. The conversation starts with discover. A brand new device has no address yet, so it cannot call anyone directly. Instead, it shouts a message to the whole network, like yelling across a crowded lobby. Is there a DHCP server here? I need an address, please. Every machine hears it, but only the server cares. Now that the shout is out, the server answers with an offer. It reaches into its drawer, picks a free address, and holds it out like a clerk offering a room key. How about this one, 192.168.1.42? It also whispers extra details, like how long the device may keep the address before checking back. The device likes the offer, so it sends a request. It formally says, "Yes, please, I would love that address." But it still broadcasts this reply out loud. Why? Because several servers might have offered, and this tells all of them which one it chose, so the others can put their spare addresses back in the drawer. Finally comes acknowledge, the happy ending of DORA. The chosen server locks that address to your device and sends back a confirmation. It's official, this address is yours for now. The green light flicks on, the handshake is complete, and your device can finally start talking to the internet. Remember that timer from the offer. Addresses are not gifts, they are rentals called a lease. Your device borrows an address for a set time, maybe a day. Like a hotel room, you can stay while you have paid, but eventually you must renew your stay or hand the key back so someone else can use it. So how does renewing work? You don't wait until the last second. About halfway through the lease, your device politely messages the same server. Can I keep this address a bit longer? Usually the server says yes, and the timer resets. All of this happens silently in the background while you keep scrolling. An address alone is not enough to explore the internet. So the front desk includes bonus directions. It tells your device the gateway, the door out to the wider internet, and the DNS server, which turns website names into addresses. It even shares the subnet mask, which marks where your local neighborhood ends. So the next time you connect to cafe Wi-Fi and everything just works, you know the secret. No typing numbers, no arguing over duplicates, no calling tech support. In the blink of an eye, DHCP discovered, offered, requested, and acknowledged, quietly setting up your device so you can jump straight to the fun. But what if the front desk is closed, the DHCP server is down? Your device is not totally stuck. It quietly picks its own backup address from a special reserved range, so devices on the same network can still find each other. It is a limited fallback, but it keeps the local party going until the real desk returns. Let us tie it all together. Every device needs an address, and DHCP is the tireless clerk that hands them out automatically. It uses the four-step DORA chat, discover, offer, request, acknowledge, leases the address like a hotel room, and even bundles in the directions your device needs. That is the quiet magic behind every connection.